What up, YouTube? Just picked up a 2017 Hawk 250. Some kid owes me money, so he just gave me this dirt bike. That's how she looks. I think she runs. Let's see if she starts. Whatever, doesn't matter. I ordered some carburetor for it. I got a new pipe from Amazon, and they give you these other ones too. Start putting these on. I'm gonna start taking these off. I'll let you know in a few seconds what they are, and then take that off. It looks like that's off too. These are 12s. 10s. Alright, installed it. Put 2 washers because it's not tight enough. You just put the 10 mil back here, but there's nothing here to hold it, and then you put the spring. And let's see if we can start it. Guys, we're gonna make a bracket, so talk to you guys later. We're gonna get that carburetor hopefully in a few days. I'll see how this bitch rips. Have a nice day, night, weekend. Ride safe and stay dirty.